Hello everyone, my name is Tejaswini Vitthal Rakunde. I am studying in first year engineering in Nutan Maharashtra Institute of Engineering Technology, Tadegaon, Pune, Maharashtra. My goal is to get placed in a good company as a software engineer. I have joined CCB 4.0 Academic to improve my skills. In this channel, I focused on 4.0 technologies, internship and other. I also interested in 4.0 technology. Please follow my channel and don't forget to subscribe this channel. In coming days, I will share my video.